We are now ready to define a foreign key. Select Foreign from the pull-down menu and click on the Add button. First, select the column from the available columns as shown. Next, to select a referenced table column, click on the searchlight first. Select the HR schema and the Employees table in that schema as shown. Click on the Go button to see the list of available columns that can be referenced. Name to this foreign constraint and click on the Continue button. Next, click on the Show SQL button, and after reviewing the SQL statement, click on the Return button. Next, click on the Apply button. An update message is displayed showing that the table has been modified successfully. Click on the General tab to review the table again. In the same way, we will link the CNTRY_ID column in this table with the corresponding ID from the HR Countries table. Watch how this is done in a similar way. Do not forget to choose a name for this constraint and to review the SQL script before applying these modifications. After this modification is done successfully, we shall implement one more constraint. We shall check that the gender field can only be M or F. For this, we select Check from the pull-down menu and click on the Add button. Watch how this constraint condition is entered in the Add Check constraint screen. It is also a good practice to enter a name for this constraint. After implementing these modifications, let us go back to see the table definition reflecting these constraints. Click on the Tables tab, select the table, and click on the View button. Scroll down the screen to see the complete list of all the constraints. We may also want to delete the column SER_NO as this may not be needed. Click on the Edit button. Select the column SER_NO and click on the Delete button. Next, click on the Show SQL button and after reviewing the statement, click on the Return button. Now, to really delete the column, click on the button Apply. An update message is displayed showing that the table has been modified successfully. To verify that the column is indeed deleted, view the table by following the steps as shown on the screen. Note that the table is not populated with any data. You can check this by selecting the View Data from the pull-down menu and by clicking on the Go button. The table is displayed, showing that it does not contain any data. We are done now. Click on the OK button next, and then on the Logout button. Congratulations! You have successfully added constraints to the columns of a table in Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition database.